Kralkur to last year I started, but towards Kral and towards pottery ये मेरा बना in the year 2009 जब मैं चंडीगढ़ ट्रैवल कर रही थी और वहाँ पे मैंने एक विलेज देखा, दैट वाज अ पॉटरी विलेज एंड वहाँ पे ये सब काम किया जाता था. सो मुझे लगा इट इज़ समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग एंड बचपन से मुझे पॉटरी प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, जैसे सार जाते थे, दरगाह जाते थे, तो आई यूज टू गेट दैट. बट ये इतना बड़ा फील्ड है, मुझे पता नहीं था. Long back, I was searching to do something. In art, I was from beginning, from a childhood. I had many awards and all in crafts and all, painting. But pottery का यहाँ कहीं मुझे कुछ दिखा नहीं. Then I was searching on Google and I thought, okay, I had seen pottery village in Chandigarh. And I searched and I came to know that there is something very, influential people doing this kind of work, and it's pottery. दरगाह में चीजें बिकती है, सार शरीफ में, तो ये तो हमारे लोकल बनाते हैं ना. तो मैंने सोचा मैं यहाँ पे सीखूं, बट यहाँ पे सिखाने का सिस्टम नहीं था, मतलब प्रॉपर वेर यू टीच लाइक वी. आजकल बेकिंग सीखी जाती है, आज आप कुछ भी, आप इंजीनियरिंग के लिए कॉलेज जाते हैं, तो पॉटरी के लिए कोई प्रॉपर सिखाने वाला नहीं था. Then I got it into Bangalore and there they coordinated with my timings. 6 months का जो उन्होंने मुझे कोर्स था वो बहुत कम ड्यूरेशन में 1 to 2 months में क्लियर कराया. And there I learned from 6 mentors. और वहाँ पे मैंने देखा that most of the pottery is done by the ladies only. But when I saw that it is a studio, it is a complete new, different world. So then there I made it into my head that I will take it to Kashmir. मैं ये नहीं कह सकती हूँ फेरी टेल की तरह कि सब कुछ सामने आया, बट आई हैड टू कन्विंस कि मुझे ये करना है. एंड इवेंचुअली फर्स्ट आई स्टार्टेड एट होम ओनली, फिर धीरे धीरे अभी यहाँ पे मैंने अपना स्टूडियो स्टार्ट किया है विद कोलैबोरेशन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड. एंड इसमें लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करना, इट इज डेफिनेटली, इट वाज पोस्ट 370. तब ऐसा हुआ तो लोगों को पता था कि पॉटरी नाम की कुछ ऐसी है, बट इट गॉट रियली हिट. एंड उससे भी मुझे काफ़ी स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा, बिकॉज ऑल द थिंग्स यू नीड फॉर पॉटरी इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन कश्मीर, बिकॉज द थिंग्स दैट आर यूज्ड इन द कश्मीर पॉटरी इज ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट व्हाट इट इज इन द मॉडर्न पॉटरी. सो एवरी मशीनरी, इवन द क्ले, आई हैड टू ऑर्डर फ्रॉम हरियाणा, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली दैट ताना, when is it a Kral Kami karin? And I really don't know why people take like this, because I am really proud to be called as Kral. I am really proud. And this sector is way beyond the other sectors, because this is the artist class. And artist का कोई level नहीं है, मतलब आप कहीं इसको match ही नहीं कर सकते. This sector needs a big attention from us. One of the people messaged me that we were looked, मतलब हमें taunt किया जाता था Kral. No. I really believe this. ये जो हम सारे हैं ना, हम sectors के, we need to learn from this how down to earth they are, how polite they are. They are spiritual people. They connect to the mud, to the earth from which we are made. My father was into central government. He was serving there, and वो obviously job sector से थे, तो वो मतलब उनका क्राइटेरिया था, हाँ डॉक्टर बनो, इंजीनियर बनो तो हो गया, लाइफ सेट है. बट आर्ट में उन्होंने मुझे कभी रोका नहीं. एंड जब उन्होंने ये देखा, he used to praise at my behind, not at my face, but at my behind he used to tell, see ये साइमन ने बनाया है. So I really feel good about that. And yeah, he has not stopped me. Finances का उतना इशू नहीं था. And my mom gave me a check one day and she said, last year she gave me a check and said, जो लाना है ले आ, क्यों मुंह लटका के है. So I got the financial support from my mother. यहाँ पे मिट्टी है, that is terracotta, that is rich in very much rich in iron. That's why उसका वो orange color आता है, वो pottery आपको मिलती है. So the clay I am using, it stoneware clay, and it is the clay which the final product you can use in the cafes, you can use in the ovens, क्योंकि आजकल time कम है, fast life है, so you have to, आपको कोई चीज गर्म करनी है, and clay is really safe for health. From 90s we are used to any untoward thing can happen anytime, so we are made up like that. Our mindset is made up of like कुछ भी हो सकता है, so you have to be prepared for anything. And then it was not restoring and all. Then my stuff was on the way to Kashmir, my payment was gone, and then I don't have any clue कि मिला आएगा कि नहीं आएगा. Then I had to travel to Delhi for this, and I got the stuff. But then okay, I thought then it's a winter season, you can't do pottery in winter season because it's too cold here, right? Then I was waiting, okay, now summer will come, things will go on, and all of a sudden this pandemic, COVID, and I can't move out. So it all really affected me, and now I am starting back. So I hope things will get normal again. That e-portal should reach to the grassroots level. Like the people who are really, who has given this art to this valley from different sectors. So उन तक पहुंचने के लिए अगर ये उन तक पहुंचेगा, then it is really welcome step. And for that they need to work with it, because they have to educate them that e-portal से उनका फायदा क्या होगा. जिंदगी रही तो I want to have a big pottery academy here where I along with the real artists, real krals of this valley will teach the next generation about this art, so that they can have their own studios or their own entrepreneurs they can become. And obviously this art is worth knowing and worth learning. And that is my planning for this professional. And obviously I'm serving in the government sector, so I want to serve my people from there also. It's not easy, but yes, when there is will, there is way.